Hello everyone. This week we are going to learn about structured output. This is basically to ensure that our data outputs are based on our requirement. We don't usually create just chat applications, right? We need different kind of data and in different formats. So that's what we are going to look at today. I'll show you one demo and we'll go to the code and I'll explain what is happening. Pretty easy. So if you look at here, the prompt is name top 2 movies with its 3 lead actors. When you request it, this comes as this one. Let me try again. So if you look at this, it's giving same response: Castaway, Tom Hanks, Matt Damon. So this is a demo. Let me walk you through the code, and there are different ways to get different type of responses. Let me show you in the code. So this is the code. We have controller. I have shown 3 types of output structure. You can do multiple. I'll tell you how to do that. So the first one is we'll give it the format, right? We'll give it the object model, how the data should be. If I go here and then create the model, right, it has movie title and list of lead actors. If we go back to this one, that's how it's going to go. In the config, we have simple configuration for chat client. So I had to add a couple of prompts to make it work. The chat client configuration is simple. I have the advisor, and in the service I'm just outputting that, calling it. The way we have the output as we want is through entity. Now this is parameterized to get as per our model. There's inbuilt way to get. This is list output, get all the answers in list format, and this is map format. So what if we want different data type? What we can do is we can extend this one and create our own. So easy. There are given formats and it has all the prompts written inside, so we don't have to do it. So I had to do it because I'm using the model that does not support it yet. So let me show you other formats, right? We went through one here. So this is the first one, parameterized one, string redemption, and and this is the string format, similar questions, and then this is the map. The movie one. This is useful for when you are creating APIs that you can send the data to the consumer and you can send them in the format they are looking for. This is very useful, especially in Java ecosystem where we create a lot of enterprise APIs. We don't want it to be in textual format, right? We want it to be in the format we want the consumer to have it in. Try this out. You may even try to create your own and see how it goes. This is all for today. Bye.